This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Selena Hicks. Lovely and spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is 55 plus Community of the Cottages at Sanders Grove, right on the border of Leesburg and Okahumpka. Very open floor plan with a chef's kitchen, high ceilings, solartubes skylights for an abundance of natural light, 3 sets of pretty French doors and a large screened Florida room are just some of the charming features of this home. Elegant clubhouse with a large room for get-togethers, a library and a game area. Just a couple of minutes drive to Highway 27, shopping and medical care. Close to Florida Turnpike. This is a lovely home that is ready for its new owner. For more information, review the details below.